Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you a very efficient way to solve simultaneous equations. And then I'll explain why the method works. So let's begin. We have 2x plus 3y equals 13, and at the same time 7x minus 2y equals 8. Whenever we have something like this, we can immediately write that x equals this times this, which is 3 times 8, minus this times this, which is 13 times minus 2, over this times this, which is 3 times 7, minus this times this, which is 2 times minus 2. And thus we obtain 3 times 8 is 24, minus 13 times minus 2 is plus 26, over 3 times 7 is 21, minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4, or we have 24 plus 26 is 50, over 21 plus 4 is 25, which is 2. And now we can take this 2 and plug it into whichever equation we prefer and solve it for y. Let's plug it into the first equation because it's simpler. We thus obtain 2 times 2 plus 3y equals 13. 3y equals 13 minus 2 times 2 is 4, or 3 times y is 9. Therefore, y equals 9 over 3, which is 3. And this is our solution. X equals 2 and y equals 3. But why does the method work? Well, let's derive the formula and see. Simultaneous equations can be written as follows. A constant times x plus another constant times y equals a third constant. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is a fourth constant times x plus a fifth constant times y equals a sixth constant. This is equation number 2. And from equation number 1, it follows that y equals c minus ax over b. Right, c is already there, minus ax, and we have to divide by b to remove the coefficient in front of y. And with this, we go into the second equation. We have dx plus e times c minus ax over b, which is y, equals f. We have a fraction, and therefore we want to remove it. Therefore, we multiply every single term of this equation by b. Thus we obtain b dx plus ec minus aex equals bf. Here I wrote ae instead of ea because it is the same. A times e equals e times a. Now we have to collect everything that contains x. We have x here and x here. So we can write bd minus ae times x equals everything that doesn't contain x. We have ec here and bf here, and this term has to be transferred to the right hand side. Then we get the following. We have bf minus ec because we transferred this term to the right hand side of the equation, or x equals bf minus ec over bd minus ae. And let's check what we have obtained. B times f is this times this. E times c is this times this. B times d is this times this. And finally, a times e is this times this. And this is our formula. If you have learned anything of value from this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.